Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Stefan from Gemalto. I'm going to talk about how to tackle some of the trust challenges typically faced in smart manufacturing and also give you some useful tips and tactics to deal with producing smart products and improving asset management. Nowadays, products are becoming smarter and smarter, meaning they are increasingly equipped with software and connected to exchange data with other products or applications. In order to prevent hacking, some well-known security principles need to be applied to these products. First, provide them with a trusted identity and credentials to ensure that they are legitimate and they can connect to the network and exchange data in a trusted way. And second, make their software upgradable remotely so you can keep up with the evolving threat landscape. For manufacturers, this means that producing smart products is not business as usual. They need to create trusted IDs, manage high volumes of credentials, and distribute them up to the final user of the product, who is not always the direct customer. This requires specific skills and capabilities that they don't have yet, leading to trust and liabilities issues with the other players of the value network. A solution to this problem is to remove the need to handle IDs and credentials and replace it with transferring their ownership all along the way up to the final customer. A trusted party can take care of this process after the IDs and credentials have been initially provisioned at the very beginning in a secure container that will travel with the device until it is delivered to the final customer. The benefit for the manufacturers is that smart products can be produced without impacting the existing manufacturing processes, without impacting the logistics as well, easing the transition towards this new business. Our experts are ready to support the digital transformation of your business. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Gemalto's YouTube channel to find out more.